Yes sir, rise and grind, man. We out here posted up. Today I'm working on a 2010 Chevy Traverse LT 3.6 two-wheel drive, power steering, rack and pinion, and the power steering pump. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, we got our rack, brand new, got it from AutoZone, and the pump, brand new, also from AutoZone. See the part number. I might split the video up and show you what's up with the power steering pump in another video, but we'll see. Alright, rack and pinion. You gotta start off with taking off the tie rod in both sides. This is for both sides now. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start on that. Got a bolt here. Then this is the outer tie rod, so take that nut off, loosen that up to be able to twist it off. So we go ahead. Alright, that is a 21 mil. That bolt go right up under there. This is 24 mil. This nut, hit that to the right, loosen it up, and now we got a tap. We're gonna tap here to give it vibration so it'll pop on out with a hammer. Alright, I hit them. Now we can twist that off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other side. Passenger side is done, undone. Now we're gonna work on the subframe bolts, and because we gotta lower the subframe to do what we need to do. All right, we up underneath. This what we got. So we got the rear bolts on the subframe. That's one bolt here. We're gonna take both the rear out, 21 mil. All right, we're gonna take these bolts out as well. I'll let you know what size those are. And those are 15 mil bolts. I'll take them out. Move the bracket completely, both sides. Alright, there we go. Got our bolt in the front. Same size, 21, 15s. Just loosen them up. Don't take them out, both sides. That way it'll just drop some and it won't come all the way down. Alright, this is what we're looking like. The subframe is lowered. See, you got room to mess around with it. Start working on the rack and pinion. Bolts on the rack. Gonna get back under it. Let's see what we got. Alright, we back up underneath. This is what we're looking like. See the rack and pinion. See all the fluid. of where it's been leaking at, so this is why we're replacing it. Got it on both sides. So we want to take off this heat shield right here. It's a little shield. And got about 2 bolts holding it. Hole there, one there. Alright, we want to take out these bolts here from the exhaust. 16 mil. I look like you need to remove this, so I'm not going to touch it. Next, alright, we got sleeve here. Push that up. Shit, I'm over here at East Point and these planes just keep flying by. I can't get a chance to say nothing. Alright, so take this sleeve off. Here come another one. Oh. Take this sleeve, push it up. Make sure the steering wheel's tight. Then we're gonna take off this bolt right here. Alright, push that up out of the slot. Like that. Alright, now we can work on the lines. Actually, we're gonna work on the bolts first. And then work on the lines because those are gonna leak. Alright, so we got 1 bolt here. This nut hole on this side. Okay, we got a bolt under the shield, so we might have to take this shield off. Let me see. Got this bolt here. And that bolt here. Same thing. And if we look at the car from this angle, look back here, see that bolt, get it, that bolt right there. Alright, this is what I got, a long extension to get that bolt out. 18 mil with a swivel. Let's get it. Just like that. Just like that. This is how you want to get these bolts out. 24 mil, 24 mil. Hold one side, turn the other. Just like that. Nice long bolt. Same thing for this bolt. Alright, one more bolt. That one there. Another 18 mil. Alright, next we're gonna hit the line 10 millimeter. Once we break this free, fluid will come down. Make sure you got a catch pan. Alright, got the lines out. Let's see if we can move it. Alright, we got this bracket here holding this line onto the rack. You want to take that 10 mil off. Right, now we can move it around. Get it off the rack. Now we're gonna go ahead and maneuver it out. We got this sensor right here, this harness. You want to take it out, all you got to do is press the tab and pull on it. It comes right out. And now we're going to work this on now. Alright, this is the best way to get it. Alright, so we got to turn it forward. Push it forward, like it's got to pivot forward, and then you can pull it out. It's really the only way that I see. So we got this panel on the back. Let's take this off, these 4 bolts, to put that on the new one. Just want to put it on the new one. Alright, the same way I took it out, I'm putting it in. Forward, that into the front. Then you can push it through. Now we can twist it while it's inside. Put it in position. As soon as you turn it, twist it back, that thing sit right in position. Now we can work on the rest. Go ahead and put the bolts in reverse order. Alright, we got our bolts in. Got those the other side in. Everything is in. We're gonna go ahead and hook up our lines for our power steering to the power steering rack. Alright, we got all our bolts in. 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. We good and tight. We're gonna go ahead and add our lines, tighten them up. And they give you new gaskets. One is small and one is bigger than the other. New cotter pins for the tie rod. Show you where the gaskets go. We got a gasket here. We got to take the old one off, put the new one on. Same for this. Alright, got them off. Both of them. Go ahead and add a new one. Install that shield. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the column and raise this subframe up. I jack it up. You see how it goes up? That's it right there. Down a little bit. Alright, that rack is in. Gotta put the outer tie rods on and we're good to go. Leave the system when you put the fluid in. This is the fluid type. Top it off. Get the air out the system, get the wheels off the ground, 2 front tires off the ground, and turn the wheels from left to right. Turn the steering wheel, holding it at just a few seconds, maybe 2-3 seconds in between. Hold it. You're getting the bubbles out. It'll push it out. Keep doing it until the ground, the winding goes away and you got a smooth sailor. Alex Auto Repair, man. The Pull Up King. Till the next video.